Welcome back to another video of A&A Driving School, guys. Today, instead of doing a test route, I am going to explain to you about the roundabouts. There's a lot of learners that struggle in the roundabouts, and some of them they actually fail their exam as well because they don't know the rules in the roundabouts. So today I am going to explain to you about the roundabouts. So let's start. First of all, whenever you are approaching a roundabout, how would you know that you are approaching a roundabout? You would identify that with this signboard that you are approaching a roundabout. Yeah. And the next, we use the routine on the roundabout is same as the junctions. It's called MSPSL. This is the routine that you would normally use in the roundabouts as well. Roundabout itself is also a junction. In fact, it's all in one junction. For example, if you take the top part out, you've got a T junction. If you take the circle out, you've got a crossroad. Once you enter the roundabout, you cannot come back, so you have to go all the way around. So that makes it a one-way street. It also makes a left turn, right turn, and going straight ahead, like I said, left and right junction, as well as crossroad. Now the rules on the roundabout is positioning your car. How would you decide that? How would you know in which lane you need to position your car when you are driving in the roundabouts? I've made it very easy, as you can see, with all these numberings. I will explain these numbers to you in a minute. So by looking at the numbers, if you imagine the roundabout as a clock face, so you got 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6, 9. So 12, quarter past 12, half past 12, quarter to 1. Yeah. The easiest way to remember the roundabout positioning is any exit that you are taking at 12 o'clock or before 12 o'clock, you would position your car in the left lane. Any exit that you are taking after 12 o'clock, you would position your car in the right lane, as you can see at the bottom here. Any exit after 12 o'clock, you position your car in the right lane. Now, back to the first exit. I'm going to go step by step. So taking the first exit, it's before 12 o'clock. Where do you need to position your car? In the left lane. Once you're in the left lane, we use the same routine. Just imagine you are just turning left at the T junction. Watch the routine that we use. You check your center and left mirror. You signal left. You position your car 1 meter away from the curb in the left lane. You take the exit in the left lane and follow the left lane all the way around. That is your first exit. If you are taking the second exit going straight ahead of the second exit, now imagine the crossroad. You don't signal on approach. However, the exit is at exactly 12 o'clock, so you would position your car in the left lane. You check the right side. There's no car on the right side. So you move into the left lane, you enter the roundabout in the left lane. You don't signal as you are going straight ahead. Once you've crossed the first exit, you check your center left mirror, you signal left, and then you take the exit in the left lane again because it's at 12 o'clock. Remember guys, even if you have an exit going this way or exit going down this way, as long as before 12 o'clock, you position your car in the left lane. You do not move into the right lane. Yeah. Then we have the third exit, turning right. On this one, the exit is after 12 o'clock. So you position your car in the right lane. Now we are turning right. So back to the same position. Mirror signal. You look the right side. If the right side is clear, you enter the roundabout into the right lane, so the inside lane, as that's your right lane. Once you've gone past the first exit, you check your center left mirror. Once you've gone past the second exit, you would signal left. Once you've signaled left, you take the exit in the left lane. On some occasions, as you can see, this car is looking to the left side. On some occasions, sometimes there's cars on this road that take the exit in the left lane as well. So in that case, you do not take the exit in the left lane. You would take the exit in the right lane, and you leave the space for the car to join as well. That is your third exit. So we'll move on to the next page. Using the roundabout. So if you look at the signboard like I explained to you, turning left, signal left on approach, plan to stop and look to go, enter the roundabout if safe, maintain the left signal until your exit. So you position a car in the left lane. When you are turning left, first exit, you check your center left mirror, you signal left, you plan to stop, so you slow down, slow approach to the giveaway lines. Look to your right side if it's clear. If it is clear, you continue with the turn, you do not stop. Second exit is following the road ahead. You do not signal on approach. Same thing again, you plan to stop but look to go, so you slow down as you are approaching. Once you've gone past, got closer to the giveaway lines, you look to your right side. If it's safe, you're keeping the left lane. Once you've passed the first exit, you check your center left mirror, signal left, and you take the turn. You exit the roundabout into the second exit. When you're turning right, taking the third exit on the roundabout, you signal right on approach. You plan to stop but look to go. Enter the roundabout if safe. Maintain the right signal as you go around. Check mirrors and signal left and take the exit. It's very, very easy if you can remember the 12 o'clock rule, guys. I will be posting more videos in regards to roundabouts, and if you have any questions, please do send a question or message me on the YouTube channel. I will be able to answer your questions. If you have any concerns and if you have any tests coming up and you need any advice, please do get in touch. And also please subscribe to my channel as well and press the bell icon button for the next upcoming videos. I hope this videos will help you in regards to the roundabouts. I will make the next video on the mini roundabouts and explain to you on the mini roundabouts how to establish priorities in the mini roundabouts. Like I said again, if you have any questions, please do message me and I will be able to answer your questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and please do share it with other people as well.